Welcome back to another episode of me talking about the government. Start off, the government, man. I ain't got nothing bad to say about the government, man, but I'm telling you guys, man. I'm just talking ways that the government can really help the American people save money and all that kind of stuff. Y'all know in my last video, I'm only going to do just a video like this maybe a few times out of a week or so. You know, I come up, talk about some of this government stuff, how they can save money, I think, you know. Now, I talked about one, I think it was last night, I talked about the government, how the government can save money, and I'm going to talk about it again. Now, like, all right, I'm going to use an example. Look at this United Healthcare man that lost his life. Allegedly, I say. I don't know how true it is, but they say this man killed a United Healthcare man over coverage. Man needed back surgery or something like that. Allegedly. I'm going to say allegedly because I don't really know what's going by what I heard, you know. So, that's another example for the government. It reflects back to the last video that I talked about. The people paying for all these kids, these food stamps and stuff. Folk having 4 and 5 kids. You know. I talked about it though. You know what I'm saying? I talked about it. Alright. Now, out of spite, these people keep having kids. Then they go down there and sign up for food stamps. And y'all know I'm telling the truth. And the government can save a lot of money again if they put a cap to 2 children. And I talked about this. And basically, it's just like income tax. If I'm not mistaken, I think income tax, you only can carry 2 kids, right? You might have 5 and 6 children. I think one person only can carry 2 kids, married couple, 2 kids, 3, whatever. I don't exactly know. But they got a cap on it. So if you have like 5 or 6 kids, when you file your income tax, I don't think you can file but 2 or 3 of them, something like that. I'm not sure. But I know one thing, if they put a cap, on food stamps to only 2 kids, now you can have 4 children, 5 children, 6 children, you can have all the children you want. But the government only gonna pay you for 2 kids. That's it, it's a cap. So they'll stop some of the people laying on their back milking the government system. See, having 5 and 6 kids in the government got to pay food stamps for them, each one of them, you know. And how much money this government can save billions if they put a cap on food stamps, you know. Only 2 kids. You can have 4 children, 5 children, 6 children, but the government only gonna pay you for 2. So y'all know I'm telling the truth. And you fix it up, see, it be just like income tax. You only can carry 2 or 3 kids. So they got a cap. If I'm not mistaken, they got a cap. You only can carry a certain amount of children. If I'm wrong, y'all can correct me down below how many kids you can carry. And that's ways that the government can save money. They help the healthcare system. Now, y'all see what happened to that boy? That United Healthcare man lost his life because the man allegedly again, was over coverage. So the man need back surgery. But see, the government can help more programs like Medicare, stuff like that, can put more benefits into Medicare and stuff like that nature if they didn't pay out all these food stamps. There's some ways I think they could save money, you know, if they put a cap on these food stamps. You know, because a lot of people, they sit back and have 4 and 5 and 6 children, and then they milk the system, you know. Everybody's paying for 5 or 6 kids. One person. Not much money the government can save if they put a 2 children cap. And the excess money, them billions of dollars that they save, they can put it toward a Medicare system. Maybe people get better health care coverage, dental work done to the mouth, or back surgery, like the man said he needed, knee surgery, whatever the case might be, leg surgery. You know, I'm just saying, that money can go elsewhere. And also, I think it'll break up some of this stuff that people keep laying on their back having kids. 5 children, 6 children, 7 kids, and all that kind of stuff. Have 6, 7 children in it, run down there and expect the government to give them food stamps. And that's a lot of people do that, you know what I'm saying? But they put that 2 children cap, that 2 children cap can save a lot of money, man. It'll basically be just like income tax. I think you only can carry 2 or 3 kids or something like that. So food stamps be the same way. That'll cut a lot of, say, the government billions. They can put some of that money toward healthcare, Medicare, or something like that, or Social Security. You know, that's my thoughts on it, you know. So what y'all comment below what y'all think. If they cut them food stamps, they cap some of those kids to only 2 kids, it can save a lot of money for the government to help other programs and stuff. That's what I think. Y'all think? Y'all hit that subscribe, man. They'll start these folks laying on their backs having kids right study too. They expect the government to take care of. All right, I'm out. Peace.